Hi and welcome back to our 10th video for the 52-week challenge, and this time we're going to learn about the screw modifier. So let's get started. We're going to make a base for this one, and yeah, so press 1. Make sure that for this one you have added your add-ons here, edit preferences, mesh, add extra objects. This one you need to have that on. All right, press Shift A, mesh, single vet, add single. Oh, vert, yeah. Then go to edit mode and E like this. This is the profile we're going to choose. So we're going to create a profile on this axis right here. And then, no, right, just this one. E. And then we're just going to keep doing this until we get a base shape. Make sure it doesn't cross this, what do you call it, the C axis right here. All right, now let's select all of this, or actually it's all treated as one object. So we just go to the modifier here, go to add modifier, and we do, what's it called, screw, and that'll create our base pretty fast. But we don't want something like that. We want something a little smoother. So let's move some of this, add proportional editing here. So GX. All right, it's not bad. Okay. All right, that is a pretty good base. Let's bring this right here. Turn proportional editing off. That. All right, cool. And then we take X-ray mode off. It's pretty good all around. Let's go back to 1 because I do not like this shape. Like that. That looks better. Okay, cool. And let's say you want to make this a little more rounder, not as, what's it called, bulky, either shade smoothing, which doesn't do much, or I think you have to apply this before, so let's do that, apply, and then we do shade smooth. Okay, doesn't really do much. All right, let's go back. What we can do is go to 1, and press, where did, okay, there we are. Now let's add that modifier. Again. Right, so if we want to make this smoother, because from what I'm seeing, like, hey, we can't just smooth it out, we can add more vertices, Control R, and then scroll and add more here, and then same thing here, Control R, add more, and then we can do our proportional editing. So G, and then just concentrate on this like that. So it looks a lot smoother. Again, just keep on adding vertices. Okay, and then we move them. And then when we move them, they're, what do you call it, a little more smoothly. Sorry, they're a little smoother. So let's get out of X-ray mode. So then now we have our nice base right here. Now let's apply this. Apply. Sweet, we got a nice base. Let's add a nice cushion at the bottom here. Just S. Right here, SC. Make it go smaller. SY. Like that. SX. We'll just smooth. Oh, that won't really do much. Okay. Let's do face. I. Control C. Get out of that. GC. Now we get a nice base. Now we can paint it a little bit if we like. I have some other videos around here where you can just, what's it called? Where you can learn how to do the hand painting. So if you want to look at those, look at my playlist. It's, I think, how-to videos, video playlist. Because I'm not going to do it here. I'm just modeling here. Let's see. So you can make this like an earthenware or just like a pot that you can break in games. But yeah, hope you like it. Hope you learn how to use the screw tool a little better to create like simple bases really, really fast. And until the next time.